跌，如果你 hold 你的股票的话 ，then 你要做取一些行动，止损啊，或者是减仓啊，因为战争是我们不能control 的东西，所以我们能 control 的东西就是我们的股票减仓或者是止损 ，alright？ So the bad news like this one is beyond our control. What we can control is our position sizing. We can reduce our position. We can also cut our stop loss. All right. And then recently, the US employment, all right, is still strong. Okay, US employment is still strong because why? After pandemic, okay, some sector like tourism sector, restaurant sector, airline sector are booming. So people are hiring in this booming sector. So that's why the employment is still very strong. When the employment rate is strong, what will happen? The purchasing power may remain. Okay, may remain because people they get paid, okay, so that's why they want to spend money as well. So in that was the case, all right, the February inflation may be stubborn, okay. 所以在这样的继续下去的话就是说有些板块啦，比如说这个航空公司啦，还有这个tourism 啦，旅游方面呢，这些板块行业，其实他们都是在请人当他们请很多人的话，当然这个 unemployment rate 的话会是很低，所以当这个很多人被请过去做工的话，当然他们就会消费，所以当他们消费的时候 ，OK， inflation 就会有点麻烦了它的有可能这个 inflation 的话会比较难下降。So if that was the case, inflation may be stubborn in February, then the Federal Reserve in US already hint 已经暗示这个美联储已经暗示有可能他们会再做一次比较大型的调高这个利息。All right, so previously you know, they just increased 0.25. Okay, maybe next they will increase 0.5 or 0.75, right? So this is the case. That's why the stock market pull back. So you can see that the US market is still volatile because why? Because of the inflation and because of the interest rate. 所以你可以看到目前为止来说其实美国市场它的波动还是蛮大的，原因在于这个通胀还有这个利息的方面。所以这些通胀跟这个利息如果没有平定下来的话，美国的股票还是会继续的波动很大。但是我个人认为的话，2023年其实也是一个就是说其实2023年也是可能会进入这个牛市所以等下我会跟大家分享了And what are the sector that is has a biggest hiring 之前我有跟大家分享过，就是leisure 的话就是 entertainment sector 跟这个hospitality 就是酒店方面在美国聘请了很多员工在这个行业，然后services center, okay, followed by healthcare. So because of this data increase and then the inflation may be stubborn, right? So these are the data that we are looking at, and then followed by 2023 suggestion. So as of now, okay, as of now 到目前为止纳斯达克啦，这个 S&P 500啦，还有这个恒生指数已经突破了这个200天的平均线它当然突破的话是属于这个 bullish signal, alright? But things could be changed, okay? Things could be changed, so you have to be careful and be prepared 啦所以股市方面其实它的变化很快，所以你可以看到这几天它跌的时候也是跌很快 ，alright? So什么事情都会发生，比如说你看战争有可能开始有可能会开始，所以导致这个股市越来越波动很大，所以 anything can change right now, so you have to be careful, alright? So 如果你们之前you know 很重仓的话，不然你们减仓一下减仓一下 but I think 2023 is still a good year for a stock investment, alright? what you normally do is that my suggestion buy on dip。buy on dip 的意思是说，如果它有跌回的话，你就买进了。OK，but with a good company，所以好的公司的话，它有跌回，你可以考虑买进，然后 participate in the bull market。OK，participate in the bull market 的话，就是参与。参与的意思是说，并不代表说你要买很多你买少许的话也是属于参与了。不然的话，如果你的朋友有买，你没有买的话，then 你就怕失去机会。当你怕失去机会的话，你就会就是说乱买。So a lot of people, they miss out the opportunity to participate in the bull market. So when their friend already bought, but then they didn't bought any share, and they feel that they are missing out the opportunity, then end up what will happen? End up they were so emotional and then they begin to make mistake. So because of that, their friend already bought and then they haven't buy yet. All right. So they feel that they miss out the opportunity, and then what happened? Okay, when that happens, usually they will just anyhow buy lah. When they anyhow buy, that's when they begin to lose money. 你明白吗？所以很多人就是说他怕失去了机会他们就赶紧就是乱买在高点的时候买进 right? Okay, like for example the Hong Kong stock, right? When we talk about Hong Kong stock, a lot of people, when we talk about Hong Kong stock at the bottom, not many people are buying, but when the Hong Kong stock near the peak, people begin to buy, especially the retail investor 啦。所以我想问你们有买吗？所以通常你们是买在高点了所以你看为什么会这样呢？因为那时候bottom 的时候，在低点的时候你们没有买进，你们怕过后它涨了58%的时候你才买进你买进的时候它就开始跌，所以你开始跌的时候你就开始怕的时候你就会卖出 alright。So these are the psychology behavior that most of the people have. So a lot of people, usually when the stock price went up already, what they do is that they fear of missing. They call it FOM, fear of missing. So that's why they buy at the peak. They always buy at the peak. So that's why the stock begin to sell down, when near the peak. So my suggestion to you is that always based on the price action or technical analysis to identify the entry point and the exit point. All right. And the sector to watch, like what I mentioned, remain unchanged. Okay. The tech stock, all right, I think still got potential. Okay. It's quite cheap right now. And then I believe some of the tech stock still got potential. Okay. And then slow phase of the interest rate hike probably will happen in the mid of the 2023, and then aviation entertainment sector sign of turnaround. 所以航空公司还有这个娱乐板块的话有可能还有上涨的空间。接下来是 hospitality 还有这些旅游板块 alright, so we'll be benefit from the reopening of the China border. And lastly healthcare 板块就是医疗板块的话我也是有看好这个医疗板块 because of the old age 我们人类就是越老老化这个问题也是一个大问题了Then energy sector remain strong as long as Russia and Ukraine conflict continue. 所以你可以看到其实 energy sector 其实它是在走横摆因为为什么呢？因为很多这个因为就是这个 Ukraine 还有这个 Russia 的战争其实还没有结束，所以 energy sector I think still remain. And lastly, banking sector, what will happen? Banking sector always depend on the interest rate 啦利率就是这个利息有可能会就是说如果利息继续涨的话当然是会银行会受益了所以银行板块的话其实 depend on the interest rate, right? So Hong Kong broker 而且最近为什么香港股市大跌 So why recently Hong Kong market also what we call that sell down a lot? One of the reason is because the government, China government authority, right, begin to give the instruction to the Hong Kong broker to suspend the account of the China user. All right, this is because to prevent, okay, the money flow. All right, the money flow, okay, outside of the mainland China. All right, so that's why they suspend, okay, the account of the user China. So therefore, with that, the Hong Kong market begin to weak, right? So I think this is a good sign. I think China governments, they don't want the China market or Hong Kong market to rebound aggressively. They want to have a moderate rebound. So probably because of this, you know, they come up with some rules, okay, to slow down the rebound of the Hong Kong market. So this is a good news actually, right? So that, you know, some of you can participate in the Hong Kong market, because I believe most of you miss out the opportunity in November. So this time is a good opportunity for you to buy in dips, okay? And index performance, 所以我们看一下 index performance, all right? So if you look at the US 美元的话，其实美元也是开始就是说反弹美元开始反弹，所以美元开始反弹的话，其实对这个美国市场并不是一个好事。之前美国市场是大涨的话，原因是美元走软 ，all right， 所以你可以看到美元现在继续的涨 ，OK， 所以美国市场有可能会跌一阵子有可能会跌一阵子 ，all right， so this is for US dollar， okay， and we take a look the STI， okay， we take a look STI， 所以海指的话其实是在这个support level， okay， so if you look at STI index is actually at the support level， right？所以其实海指告诉我们说它是在这个 support level， 而且海指的话其实是一个买入是一个好的机会了通常你看美国市场大跌，这个海指的话其实是没有什么跌 alright， 所以你可以看到是有时候是相反的啦 and you can see that what we call that okay， so it's actually quite obvious STI is actually near the support level okay， so it's quite near support level， 所以我个人认为的话海指的话有机会上涨的空间 OK， 当然的话不要买太多了因为美国那边还不是很好，可是也是可以买少许，我个人认为的话 alright， so you can see that it's quite obvious, it's quite a strong support level if you know, if everything go well alright, so this is for STI, and if you look at this most of the blue chip are near the support level okay, especially the bank stock and followed by S&P 500 okay, S&P 500的话就大跌 okay， so if you look at S&P 500 right, it's actually have quite a big drop okay, but however where is a strong support level, where is a strong support level, strong support level should be here 了差不多是3940点3940点 alright， so the support level is around 3940 near the 200-day moving average okay, so this is a important support level. If the support level is sustainable, then the US market may rebound. If the what we call that, if the support level is not strong enough breakthrough, then you have to be careful a bit all right, so far I believe the support level is somewhere around here so 3940点 alright， 3940点，而且当初的话我也是告诉大家的话如果你手头上有赚一些钱的话，你应该 take some profit. During that time, I think last few weeks, I also mentioned that market already overbought. It's time to take some profit. All right. So that's why you can see that market begin to pull back already. Okay. So I think still have some room to pull back actually. All right, some room to pull back. So take note of the support level 3940 and NASDAQ. Right, so NASDAQ also same thing. Okay, pull back. And where's the support level? Support level is near here as well. 1190. Okay, 1190. All right, it's based on the 200-day moving average. Okay, and it's quite obvious that why the US market pullback is because of what? Because of the NATO country begin to send the weapon to the Ukraine, and then the inflation rate may be stubborn in February, all right? And then the Federal Reserve also hints that they're going to have a large increase in the interest rate, okay, because of the stubborn inflation. So the most affected market would be NASDAQ market, all right? Because NASDAQ market, most of the time, NASDAQ market, most of the stock are growth stock. So that's why the NASDAQ will be affected the most 所以你可以看到这个纳斯达克的话，其实它的跌幅会比较多。为什么呢？很多股票就是 growth stock 就是在这个纳斯达克里面，如果 inflation 还有这个利息一旦利息调高的话，当然受损的话，有可能是纳斯达克指数啦，或者是 growth stock， 所以要特别小心 ，OK。当然的话也是机会买进如果它有跌回的话，其实也是有机会买进。And Hang Seng still weak, right? Hang Seng is still weak. So I think the support level will be around here. Okay, 差不多是19600点 alright, 19600点 is quite a strong support level. So I believe that Hong Kong may still have some room to pull back, okay, before the stock price is actually begin to rebound. And you can see that previously it has went up 55%. 所以当初它大涨了过后，我也是有跟全部人说，应该套利 ，alright， 最少卖出30% 或者是50%。Alright， 所以你可以看到之前它涨了太多了太多so you can see that 一蜂窝这样买进的话，当然也是有一蜂窝的卖出 Alright， so you can see that previously they went up 55% within 3 months. So now having pullback is actually a healthy pullback, so that it actually gives you an opportunity to buy back So that's why you don't miss the opportunity. So always use the price action or the what we call that, the strategy that I teach you in the class to identify the entry point and the exit point. All right. So yeah. So the support level for Hang Seng probably could be at 1960 1960. Okay. So I think still have some room to go down. Right, so this is for Hang Seng. And when we talk about individual stock, okay, before I talk about individual stock, so this is my mastering price action course. Just want to thank the students who have attended the courses and give me a very good testimonial. And then last week, I had my February class, and then we have a very great discussion about the stock market. And I also share with them the what we call that the sector rotation, which is rare. Not many people talk about it. That is the secret of finding the right stock from the right sector. So mastering price action is not just about drawing the trend line. Okay, everyone know how to draw. 所以我个人认为的话，这个课程不只是教你如何画图表。我个人认为的话，大多数你们都会画图表。其实这个课程不只是学习画图表，你们要知道买哪一类的股票，买对股票其实是最重要如果你买错股票，如果你很厉害画图表，可是你买错股票的话，也是会亏钱。所以重点是选对股票。你会选吗？怎样选 几时买，所以这个课题的话，全部是有在这个 Mastering Price Action 有教了And so this is a stock, what we call that, stock watch list. Okay, if you look at it, the stock watch list is remain unchanged, and my favorite stock is still Sembcorp Marine. Sembcorp Industry. So Sembcorp Industry. All right. So if you look at the Sembcorp Industry, continue to rebound strongly. Okay. So one of the strongest stock lah. Right, Sembcorp Industry 的话，其实是一个明星股，今年的明星股最猛的一只。Alright, so we can see that when the price actually break through, then it continue to rebound. Okay, continue to rebound, and it has not been slowing down 了继续的涨。所以其实今年的话，有可能它还是会继续的涨，慢慢的涨所以你可以看到。So it's still good, right? DaRenTang, okay? DaRenTang. So DaRenTang 的话last week we talked about this stock, and then the stock is still continue strongly, right? So last week we talked about this stock, okay? Last week is around 15. So 15号是在哪里？15号是在这里是吗？ Yep. So we talk about this stock when the price was here, all right? So they went up how many percent? They went up around 8%, all right? So still looking good, okay? Reason is because that they break new high. The stock break out and go new high, okay? 所以还有涨幅的空间，有可能会跌幅一点 ，alright？ So 跌了过后，有可能还有机会涨。Okay, so far is still very strong stock. And Delfi, so Delfi is still pretty strong. Okay, just recently this day actually pulled back. So if you look at the stock, all right, so still have a lot of potential. Okay, still have a lot of potential. Okay, and what else? Food Empire. So Food Empire also went up strongly. All right, so the Food Empire also went up strongly. Okay, and basically if you look at the sector, okay, if you look at the sector, right, so tourism, hospitality, retails, and restaurant, okay, will benefit from the China opening all right. So that's why you can see that the sector, okay, the stock is actually related to the sector as well, right? So what happened to Genting? 我们看一下 Genting. Okay. Genting 业绩报告出来的话，它没有跳空上去Okay. So but the price is still hovering near the resistance level. Okay. So 它走横摆蛮久了 Okay. But so far 还是 OK. And 还有什么 SunPower. Okay. So we take a look SunPower. Right. So SunPower went up quite a lot. So now it's pulling back. Okay. So pulling back is a good opportunity for you to enter as well. So you can put this stock into your watch list. 所以 SunPower 的话其实涨了88%，所以有可能的话它会回调一些，所以回调了过后，你们再用这个 price action 或者是技术分析来就是说看它的进场价位是在哪里 Okay, so 还 OK. Then what else? DFI, okay. DFI. So DFI begin to pull back a little bit, okay, but overall it's still pretty attractive, okay? Still pretty attractive, right? So if you look at the price, okay, right? So this is DFIG. DFIG is a giant, giant, all right? So these are the Singapore stock, okay, remain unchanged. But if you look at the bank, what happened to bank? DBS, 我们看一些银行股票。银行股票的话 ，so DBS 的 dividend 是在4月10号，4月10号 ，all right. So if you look at the DBS, okay, is actually near the support level. Maybe in short term, they may rebound, I believe. All right. So you can see that the resistance is $36啦。所以 DBS 的话，其实是在这个 support level，all right。所以如果它有买家进来的话，有可能这个是一个中期的 support level。All right， 中期的 support level，and then resistance 是在差不多是36块，36块。OCBC，so OCBC is one of the stronger, okay, as compared to DBS and UOB. 所以有可能 UOB 跟 DBS 那时候有可能去年涨了一轮，所以有可能这一年有可能会轮到 OCBC 了哦。So you can see that OCBC, in fact, they move the slower, but however, 它好像这个乌龟乌龟赛跑它是慢慢上，all right, okay, 慢慢上。So it's a good opportunity as well. Okay, you can see that the price is actually break a new high. Okay, so I think still got chance as long as the interest rate continue to increase. Right. So UOB, what happened? You take a look UOB. So UOB 的话波动会比较大一些。Okay, UOB 波动会比较大一些。Right. So but the price is also near the resistance. OK， 所以你可以看到这些比较比较贵的股票，尤其是在新加坡，去年已经涨了一轮的话，今年它的涨幅有可能会稍微比较慢一点但是也是一个机会啊哈。And Capital Corp 的话，so dividend 也是在4月份 ，OK， 27号4月，27号4月。那时候是大跌下来，是它的业绩报告不是很理想了哈。So the big drop recently is due to the earning. The earning is not that impressive, so that's why the price get down. But then recently they rebound again, and then they pull back again. All right. So you see that it's become very volatile. Okay, it's become very volatile. So just be careful. Okay, market begin to volatile in these few months. Okay, so you just need to be careful. 所以你可以看到这个 Capital Corp 的话，其实它的卖出你看到它蜡烛，它的卖出其实是很猛算很猛。有可能这几个星期来有可能股票市场会有一个很大的波动很大的波动，所以要小心了当然也是一个机会也是一个机会。Alright, so these are the Singapore stock, and the Hong Kong stock remain unchanged. Okay, most of the stock like Alibaba already went down a lot. So Alibaba 的话actually went down quite a lot. 998. So today is still selling down. Okay, today is still selling down. 21号 is this today? Right. So this is yesterday. So they went down. Okay, today is near the support level. All right, 93 or 96. Okay. So when is the best time to buy? When is the best time to buy? Any idea? When is the best time to buy? Right. So support level obviously is near $92，差不多是92块，其实是到了差不多92块 ，right？ 当然有两种说法现在，所以如果它没有涨，就是跌破 ，OK？ Right? So if you think that this is a good company and then you want to buy, you buy slowly lah, you buy progressively, all right? Because we still do not know how low they can go. But right now they are near the support level of 200-day moving average, okay? Which is quite a strong support, okay? But however, anything can happen. If they break down, okay, the price may go down further lah, okay? So if the price go down further, then what happened? The next support level will be $83. Okay, $83, right? So these are the things that you need to take note. Okay, Tencent, 我们先看 Tencent, right? So Tencent also begin to drop as well, okay, but they drop the less as compared to Alibaba, right? So if you want to buy, maybe you can consider the leader of the stock called Tencent, okay? And obviously, the support is 329, okay? Somewhere around 328 or 329. 所以差不多是328了哈。腾讯如果你要买的话，其实它的 support level 是328。当然，买进少许先，因为整个市场还是不确定性原因。刚才我跟大家分享就是战争有可能又要开始哈，所以导致全球世界的股市波动很大。All right, but I still tell you where is a support level so that you can have a better understanding when you want to buy lah. Okay. Right. So this is strong support level 328. Okay, 328. Right. And the US, okay, US, most of the US stock also went down. NVDA also went down. 美国市场的话也是大跌 ，right? So NVDA 之前涨得最多的话也是开始跌 ，okay? So it's begin to pull back around 10%. So you can see that stock market is not, it's not going up in a one straight line, okay? Sometimes it will pull back, right? And then sometimes it will have corrections. 所以股票市场的话，它不是一个直线的上涨，所以你其实不需要去追高了哈，你不需要去追高，因为它会回调让你进场。看你是否有没有这个经验如果你没有上课的话，你就不会找到这个进入的价位，所以上课是最重要不然的话你会 miss 到很多 opportunity. All right, so so energy, okay, we take a look energy. So energy is still pretty strong, okay. 为什么 energy pretty strong? Why energy is strong is because of what? If you still remember the sector that I mentioned, all right? This one, okay? Energy's activity remain, okay, as long as Russia and Ukraine conflict continue, okay? So Russia 跟这个Ukraine 战争还没有结束，当然energy sector 的话还是会看好还是会看好这个energy sector, all right? VIST. So VIST 的话继续的涨 alright, so you can see that some sector are selling down, okay, like for example the technology sector selling down, however the oil sector, the energy sector are moving up, okay, okay, so these are the situation right now. And what else? STLD, 钢铁哦，钢铁。说钢铁的话，其实是蛮强的股票 ，all right，所以这个是美国股票了哈。有些股票它是大跌，尤其是科技股，因为科技股对这个利息哈，还有这个 inflation 啊，通胀是很敏感的。可是有些就是说钢铁很多工程的话需要用到这个钢铁的话，你可以看到钢铁继续的涨哦。所以这个 market rotations is very important so that's why I do teach in these mastering price actions how to catch the right market rotations, which is very important. 因为你不要买错股票，你买错股票的话then 你就会亏钱了哦。Right, so these are the stocks, okay? So what about your stock, okay? What about your stock? All right, so we take some so the summary. Okay, what happened to summary? So STI near support level. Okay, S&P, okay, pulling back. NASDAQ also pulling back. Hong Kong still weak, but opportunity is near. Right? Okay, 可以吗? So it's actually a great opportunity, right? So pulling back, I think is a great opportunity so that for those of you already took some profit, congratulations to you. So that's why I say you come back every week. At least you know what is happening. When the stock market is expensive, it's time to take profit. When the stock market is cheap, okay, it's time to get ready. OK， 但是现在还不算是进场的时候哦，现在还不是进场的时候，因为它还是跌住。So right now, although I mentioned it's pulling back, it doesn't mean that we are buying it right now. We still observe because the price is still selling down. Okay, especially the US and Hong Kong. Right, Hong Kong is still selling down. US is still selling down. What I mean is get ready. Okay, get ready, right? Get ready. So STI, okay, near support level, okay, is an opportunity as well. So this is a summary for the index. So able to see Amazon stock already break below trend line. Okay. Amazon AMZN. Yes, most of the tech stock went down. Most of the technology stock, okay, went down. Although it's a good company, they still went down. All right, they still went down. 可以吗? So they break the trend line. Yes, this is a short-term trend line. Short-term, okay, short-term trend line. All right. So if you look at the price, maybe, okay, the next support level maybe 是在差不多$90. Right. So the next support level is still $90. So you can see that actually US stock market still have great opportunity for you to buy if you miss out the opportunity. Okay, if you miss out the opportunity. And you can see that technical analysis, okay, hit the resistance, they begin to pull back. So they hit the resistance, it begin to pull back. So my suggestion to you is that believe in yourself what you see. Okay, although people talk about rebound, okay, market could change. So like what I mentioned, market may enter bull market in 2023, but however, stock market may not go in the, in the straight line. So they may pull back. So when they pull back, you must identify when's the best time to enter. When they hit the resistance, when they are expensive, you must know when to sell. If you are using midterm strategy or price action strategy。可以吗？所以我的意思是说，虽然我是看好今年的股票，但是并不代表说股票是一个直线的上涨，它也是会回调比如说这几天开始回调的话，所以如果你看图表的话，其实你应该懂几时出场，OK？因为什么呢？它在底部是差不多是在底部，OK？The bottom is actually near December. Okay, the bottom is December, so they went up around 30%, 37%, and then they hit resistance. So if you know how to see the chart, you know when to exit. All right, so you don't just follow what people say, so you must have confidence with yourself 啦。你要有信心。当你看图表的时候，它已经进入这个超买区的话 ，OK， 而且还就是中到这个resistance， then 你应该考虑卖出。So you must see the chart 啦，you must see the chart, right? And what else? Sembcorp industry, okay, Sembcorp industry is always overbought. So Sembcorp industry is always overbought. Okay， 它没有，就是说它没有打算停下来。So if you look at the Sembcorp industry, right, the buyer have no intention to sell the stock. They keep buying. So it's become very difficult for you to buy lah if you didn't buy. Okay, so that's why how to buy is based on the small pullback like this one. Okay, small pullback. 所以这几天的话，如果你可以看到整个市场并不是很好，可是 Sembcorp industry 没有跌。So if you look at the entire market, right, entire market is not that good, okay, but Sembcorp industry didn't drop. So we can see that they hit resistance, okay, maybe, okay, what will happen to Sembcorp industry? They may break through again, right? So you just be careful, you just need to take note lah, okay? So we can see that it keep moving up, and then they hit resistance, all right, they pull back a little bit, but at the end of the day they may break through. Okay, they may break through. All right, it's overbought. Okay, it's overbought. All right, but the price has no intention to slow down. Okay， 其实你看的话，它其实没有给你机会进场。All right, so you can see that the chart, right, they don't give you opportunity to buy lah. The pullback is so little, went up so much. Pullback so little, went up so much. Pullback so little, went up so much. Pullback little, went up so much. So it's a very rare opportunity. 所以很少看到这样的机会所以我说今年的明星股还是 Sembcorp industry, right? So if you want to buy now, is overbought. If you still want to buy, you buy little first 啦你买少许先 okay? And First Resources, ST Engineering, First Resources, so First Resources rebound every time when the price hit the support level, okay? But recently there is a resistance it's quite a strong resistance, is 200-day moving average. 所以 First Resources 的话，每一次你可以看到它给你3次机会的进场。如果你没有进的话它就开始反弹。但是到目前为止的话，其实它是在这个 resistance resistance 阻力 okay, so 1.58 is a resistance, but I'm not sure will the price break through, or not. Okay, it looked like the price may break through lah看到吗？ So if you look at the price the price look like it's going to break through. So it begin to rebound more than 200-day moving average in a slower phase. All right. Okay. So it's quite a good opportunity actually. Still strong. ST Engineering. All right, so ST Engineering, okay, not doing so well recently, but near the support level also. So when is the support level for ST Engineering? So 3块半, is it? Right, so we take a look. So the support level is quite near to $3.46. Okay, $3.46 啊，可以吗？ Right. So you can see the price near the support level also. We'll see how if they break through, then the support level will be 3.46, but overall it's still weak. Okay, still weak. Probably they went up a lot. Okay, since October. All right, so it's begin to pull back. And dynamic. Dynamic, huh? Yeah, dynamic is very slow. Okay, very slow, huh? 现在不上不下. All right, so dynamic, previously I also noticed this stock, all right, but just that the price, you know, the price cannot break through. Okay, a bit slow. All right, so each time when they hit the resistance, it's a bit slow. Okay, but the good thing that they didn't break down. Okay, so what about, how do you think? 哦，这只股票的话会比较慢一点，每一次它你看，遇到这个阻力的话，哈，它就回调，阻力的话回调，虽然它没有跌啦，哦，虽然它没有跌，所以 I think maybe it takes some time, right, before the price breakthrough. Okay, look like they will break through, but it takes some time. Okay, look like a breakthrough, but it takes some time. The good thing they never drop aggressively. 好是在它没有大跌哦，所以有可能它的价格会越来越就是narrow range，OK，它的价格有可能它会走横盘一段时间，before 它突破，alright。And Uni Asia yeah went up a lot，OK，所以这只股票的话我也是有看到 Uni Asia。Uni Asia. Right. All right. So Uni Asia, okay. So recently rebound as well, okay. So the stock price continue to go up, okay. Yeah, it's a good opportunity. And when is the support? Okay, there's a resistance here. $1 and 0.75 is near the resistance, okay. And currently the price is hitting the resistance actually. So profit taking may occur this few days, right? And that was a support level. Yeah, I saw this stock, okay? And long time never see this stock already, okay? Long time never see, and then it begin to rebound, right? Okay. 所以讲到这些股的话，我们看一些之前看的股票，好像 RH Petrol Gas, is there any rebound? Is there any rebound? Will they be coming back? 哦，他们会回来吗？ Right? Will they be coming back? So now it's near support level lah. Oh, now it's near support level. Actually, previously the price actually break through. Then they pull back. Okay, they pull back. So maybe 有可能也是一个机会 right? So how do you think? 所以你们觉得如何？Rise Petrogas 有机会吗？哦，如果它没有跌破2毛的话，我觉得有机会了。哦，它的2毛的话，其实是一个支撑。哦，如果这个支撑没有跌破 ，is still consider a good opportunity. All right. So I think the 20 cent is a strong support level. As long as the price didn't drop 20 cent, I think RH Petrogas may have some opportunity. Look like the price is coming back slowly. Okay. Look like the price is coming back. Right. So it has been down for many months. Kindly ACV. Oh, ACB, what happened? How come the chart like this one? 为什么它的股票是这样？ ACV, how much is the dividend? Are you buying for dividend? ACV, let me check the dividend. All right, ACV, Fraser Hospitality Trust, Stock Analytic. The dividend yield only 3.4%. Is it true? Is it true? So if the dividend is only 3.4%, then it does not make sense for you to buy lah. Correct or not? So if you are buying for dividend, then you might want to skip this stock. So that's why the price is not moving up. 所以你看到这个股票的话，其实它图表告诉我们它其实不是很好啊。所以你 check 它的 dividend 的话才 3.48， 所以没有什么人买。所以没有什么人买的股票的话 it's not that attractive 咯。Alright, am I correct? Okay, am I correct? Right. So what about CDL? CDL Hospitality Trust. Okay. CDL, okay, look better as compared to Fraser. Right. Can? So CDL Hospitality Trust. Sembcorp Industry already mentioned. Do you recommend trading TQQQ or SQQQ? Okay, what is TQQQ? Okay, TQQQ is a 3-time leverage of QQQQ. So 3-time bull market, 3-time bull leverage, 3-time bull leverage of a NASDAQ component, right? Do I recommend? Okay, I only recommend if you have the knowledge. Okay, so if you do not know what is TQQQ, don't trade lah. Okay, so this is a NASDAQ index 3-time leverage for bull market. So if you think that the NASDAQ is going to rebound strongly, then you can consider to buy. Okay, but now they begin to pull back. Okay, so what I mean is that if you have the knowledge, okay, you can. If you don't have a knowledge, then you don't buy lah. If you have attended the price action workshop, yes, you can buy little, because I assume that you already have some knowledge after you have attending the price action knowledge price actions class. And SQQQ, so SQQQ is the opposite of TQQQ. So if you think that the NASDAQ component is going to sell down, okay, you can actually buy the SQQQ for a short term, okay, for a short term, all right, for a short term. So if you look at the recent market, actually, all right, so this is a 3-time bear NASDAQ component, 3-time leverage bear, okay, components, all right. 所以如果你们看跌的话，美国市场尤其是纳斯达克，你们看跌的话，其实你们可以买这个 SQQQ 了。Right， 它是跟这个 TQQQ 相反的。So just now, someone asked me, do I recommend? Okay, I only recommended, okay, provided if you have attended the price action workshop. So if you do not know what it is, okay, please don't touch, okay, because it's a 3-time leverage and it's for short term only, okay, short term. Sembcorp Marine. So what happened to Sembcorp Marine? All right, the merger, okay, because of the merging, okay, merging 的话，通常 news 的话会比较难说一点哦。Excuse me. 所以今天的话也是有涨 all right. So if we talk about news, right, a bit difficult for you to make decision, all right, and the price already went up a lot. And my suggestion to you is that you don't touch, okay, you don't touch, okay, because we do not know what will be the next reaction like, okay. So 通常这个 news 已经出来了过后就会比较难做一些 ，OK， 因为很多事情我们还是不了解它会怎样发生，所以如果你看它已经涨了蛮多 ，right， 所以如果你现在进场的话，会比较难一些。Okay, so don't touch, wait and see first. Marco Polo. So how do you think about Marco Polo? So the Marco Polo, what we call that? The liquidity is very thin, right? Although it's part of the oil and gas, how do you think? 所以你们敢买吗？这些股票 do you dare to buy? Right. Usually for me, I will not buy the penny stock, but however, if you buy for short term, like what I mentioned, this is a penny stock, usually for short term purposes, okay? And if you really want to buy, so you you see the price action, wait for the pullback before you buy. And you can see that the movement is a bit slow. 所以你可以看到它的趋势也是很慢 ，right？ 其实没有什么动静，而且也是有可能没有什么人买。但是如果你还是要买的话，你要看图表来买进啦。So based on the support level, okay, to buy in, and then when is the resistance, okay? Right, so the resistance is obvious is 48, 0.048 lah, okay, 0.048. And 端性第24号。端性 is still downtrend. Seng, will they rebound? Okay, so Seng is still considered downtrend, all right? But recently they rebound a little bit, right? Rebound a little bit. Okay, 它的股票如果它有上回的话 ，OK， 有可能有机会 ，OK，but 到目前为止来说还很难讲哦。So now as of now they are still below 200-day moving average, so a bit tricky right now. So unless the price break through 200-day moving average okay, only then we can consider the trend, may continue. So we will see how, okay. Right, look like the buyer are coming in, okay, look like 所以看它样子的话，有可能这个庄家已经开始买进，可是现在还不确定因为它的股票价格还是在这个200天的平均线下面 如果它的价格有突破200天平均线 then 有可能会进入一个不错的状况 right 心跳So what happened to 心跳 OK 心跳最近的话也是不是很好 OK but 如果你是要买来投资 dividend 的话currently is at the near support level OK so you can see that the price is actually near support level OK 所以每一次你看到这个股票有回跌的话其实一个买进的价位啊买进的好机会 alright but this few days the market is not that fantastic yet, not that good, okay? But although the price near the support level, 所以你们可以买少许 alright 虽然它的图表不是很美 OK 所以你看它的图表的话其实不是很美可是每一次大跌过后它就会反弹 alright so yeah right now it's near the support level okay so if you want to buy you buy little okay but the next support level 2.34 is the stronger support 啦所以如果你要等的话是2.34 OK 2.34比较完美的价格来买入 alright and Coca-Cola and PDD Coca-Cola Coke CO So Coca-Cola has been up for long time, okay? They went up for a long time already, right? So recently rebound also. So if you want to buy, this is the best price to buy, right? Okay. So you can see the resistance is somewhere around here. $55 was a support level. So now the price begin to pull back. Okay. So you just wait lah. Okay. You just wait. All right. But now the price begin to pull back. And it's quite obvious the resistance is here. So support 的话有可能是在这边哦。So maybe they will move in the range, right? Maybe the stock will move in the range, right? So you buy at 58, you sell at 64. Buy 58, sell at 64. Maybe they will move in the range, right? PDD sell down a lot last night. Okay. So they sell down a lot last night. So when is the best price to buy? Is there any idea? When is the best price to buy? So 如果它的 best price 差不多是这边72块了 I think will be the best price if the price go down there 了 Okay, if the price go down. But of course, the immediate support would be $80. Immediate support will be $80. If the $80 breakthrough, $72. The next support level, I think 72块会比较美哦。如果你要进的话是72块会比较美了。So I think $72 would be the attractive level for you to enter lah if the price continue to go down. Alright, so that's my view. Okay. So they also went up a lot recently. So it's time to pull back. Alright. So market will go up and go down lah. So that's why I say don't chase. You always have the opportunity to buy and sell. And lastly, ComfortDelGro. ComfortDelGro, like what I mentioned many times, they are not doing well in the stock market. 虽然是 Alright, so if you look at the chart, right, it doesn't look good as well because the price is keep selling down and move in the descending direction. 所以如果你看整体来说，其实新加坡很多这个租车现在这个电动车开始租给人家，所以本地人的话会比较少坐 taxi 了，他们年轻人比较喜欢自己驾车所以你可以看到你楼下租屋楼下也是有租车。他们放在那边 charge 电年轻人就很喜欢去租这些车来驾，所以他们就比较少这租车。所以你可以看到，有可能这个原因的话，这个德士的趋势会被很大的影响了 ，right？ 所以你们要小心因为它的生意方面有可能已经被这个租车方面被淘汰所以要小心了，好像变成那个 SPH， 那时候 SPH 为什么他们也是会影响？因为很多东西都是变成电子化 ，right？ 所以慢慢的话，你会看到很多东西都会在变。So business could change, right? ComfortDelGro is one of the company that is struggling right now. So you have to be careful, okay? Like for example, SPH company. SPH company was affected last time because of why? Because of the digitalization. So business could change due to the internet era. So ComfortDelGro also one of them may be affected because a lot of young people they like to rent a car, especially the electrical car, which is quite popular right now. So maybe taxi industry may be affected, okay? May be affected. All right, so you just need to be careful. JD.com, right? So many of the China stock are dropping, all right? So JD.com, they also drop, all right? So how to say? JD.com, if you do the measurement, they went up 76%. Now they drop back, all right? So where is the support level? Obviously, the support level is here. So if they can go down to $41, I think maybe the opportunity as well. Okay. And JD Logistics, same company, same mother company. JD Logistics. All right. So previously we talked about this stock because there was a drawing, all right? So they went up and then hit resistance, they begin to pull back. So where's the support? Okay. Support obviously is $14. Okay, 14块钱, $14. But however, anything could change. If they go down further, then the next support level will be somewhere around. All right, 12块6毛1. Okay. So in order for JD.com to continue the momentum, they must break through the resistance $17.14. So $17.14 is a resistance. All right. But overall, you can see that it's an opportunity for you to buy. Okay. Overall, it's an opportunity for you to buy. So you can, based on this, okay, summary, all right, to make your decision. Hong Kong stock is still weak, but it's an opportunity. Okay, Hong Kong market is always like that. When the price is selling down a lot now, it's always opportunity for you to buy. Don't wait until the price went up, you buy. Okay, it doesn't work for Hong Kong market. So I think Hong Kong market still got some room to go down. So 你就要小心一点. So you have to be careful lah. I think Hong Kong market still have some room to go down. So just remember the index. So I think the support level, okay, 19,600. If the price can go down here, it's a great opportunity for you to accumulate some good company. 可以吗? All right. because the price looking at it still going down. So the support is somewhere around 19,600. Okay, so if you can wait, so wait patiently, okay, so it's a good opportunity. Okay, so you just get ready, so get ready. All right, so a lot of the market are pulling back. So I expect March, okay, this few weeks will continue to be weak. Okay, then after that, market may rebound anytime. Okay, market may rebound anytime, right? So, okay, so I apologize to every one of you if I cannot analyze your stock because of the time limitation. 所以我在这边请求大家的原谅。如果我没有办法就是 analyze 你的股票，因为时间的关系不好意思啊。所以当然也是感谢你们上这个研讨会了所以希望说下个星期再会见到你们。Right. So my suggestion to you is that if you are still struggling with the what we call that stock market, if you're still struggling with losing money in the stock market, 所以你还是在股市里面还是亏钱还看不到希望的话 ，OK， 我的建议就是说你要就是说提高你的知识 ，OK， 我有一个解决方案，就是这个price actions solution. So I have this solution for you called price action. Right? Why price action? Because price action allow you to spot the pattern through the chart. So because when you look at the chart, okay, it's actually tell us the real data. So basically, we analyze the real data. Okay, we are not predicting. Okay, we are looking at the real data to decide what is the next move. Okay, so if you look at the chart, right? 所以你看图表的话，其实我们是在看真正的数据，是真的数据买进的数据，卖出的数据。So 你没有看这个数据的话，你要去哪里看？当然，如果你要看报章的话，有可能报章的话，其实他们写的东西都是他们自己的 opinion. So you have to understand is that opinion, okay, doesn't work in the stock market. If you continue to read the news, that is called opinion. Why not you spend your time, you learn yourself to look at the stock chart, okay?